In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your MyMedicare.gov account. And now, especially during this time of, you know, uncertainty, we all should really get onto the online tools and get used to using them. The MyMedicare.gov account, when you have access, will show you all the Medicare claims that you have. It'll allow you to print out your Medicare card. It'll tell you which Medicare plan you're a part of, either the supplement plan, Advantage plan, or the drug plan. It'll also show you all the prescription medications that you're on that you get through your Medicare Part D or Medicare Part C plan. And it will also show things like your co-insurances. How much of that deductible have you paid for this year? Very important. And for those of you who have not yet got your Medicare card, but you are trying to sign up crazily for it now, because we all don't know what's going to happen. Now it's a great time to get this stuff started. All right, so in the computer, I'm going to go ahead and get right onto the tutorial. So we're going to go on to Medicare.gov, and on the Medicare.gov site, going to look like this. You're going to click on create an account, and it's going to show this page. And right on the bottom of this page, it'll say create an account. So you're going to create an account here and then fill out the required information. Once the information is all set up, it's actually going to direct you to the completed screen. And that's pretty much it. The best thing that I can say is that a lot of people, when they go to create the account, they are asked kind of like the credit report inquiry, which pulls your credit, contact, and residential report from pretty much from forever. So if that does happen, make sure you answer that correctly. If you folks wanted help to get your My Social Security login, you can go check the card here. It's going to come up where I am, so it's going to be right around this area for your My Social Security.gov site login and the information there. I would say that that's pretty much it. Very easy, very, very valuable right now. Hope you enjoyed today's video. For more resources on retirement planning topics like Medicare, Social Security, and retirement assets, be sure to subscribe and check back here from time to time for up-to-date resources on retirement planning. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.